Hello again. In this lesson we introduce the concept of SQL. But first let's make a summary of all the concepts we passed. So first we introduce the concept of data. After that, the concept of database, that is an organized collection of data. The icon for the database is this one. Going further, we learn about database management system. So programs that manage the database. And we concentrate on a specific DBMS called Relational DBMS, abbreviation like this. Okay, and now let's introduce the concept of SQL. So for the user to communicate with the relational DBMS, SQL is used. SQL is the standard language for dealing with relational databases. Let's make an analogy. In the same way, we communicate with each other using vocabulary and grammar. We can communicate with the relational DBMS using SQL. How we will learn SQL? We'll learn using LiveSQL, available at work. Let's see how to use LiveSQL. First, let's connect. So you can use any browser. I give you the link. So livesql.oracle.com, and that's all. Please remember this link. Okay, and now because I already have an account, I press on sign in. I fill my username, that is my email address, and the password. I press on sign in, and I am inside LiveSQL. I go SQL worksheet, and here I can write any SQL command and press on run to execute. Simple. But you don't have a SQL account, LiveSQL account. So first you need to go create account and fill your details. Are needed, important is email address, password, also some information. Okay, mark this. If you want Oracle to send you, it's optional, and you can create account. Okay, you will receive an email, you have to press a link and you'll have the account created, and you will connect using the email address and the password. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next one. Bye.